Here's how to restore missing chat history in Messenger. Now, if you're in Facebook Messenger and you're not seeing all of the messages that you sent to other people, or you're setting up a new device and you're not seeing those synced up, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer, and we need to get to your settings. So at the bottom right, tap on the menu button. And now from here, you'll see at the very top is settings, or that gear icon. I'm going to tap on that. Now, once you're in this screen, you'll be able to see midway down is privacy and security, or rather safety here, and tap on that. Now, finally, you'll be able to see midway down is end-to-end encrypted chats. This is usually the culprit that's making you not be able to see those. So tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. And at the very top, we'll tap on message storage. Essentially what this does is it encrypts all of your messages and prevents it from syncing up on new devices or even on your device. So the first thing I would recommend doing is tapping reset pin. Now you can set it to be whatever you want. In my case, I'm just going to set it to be a bunch of different ones. Now, after you've done that, it says essentially you can use that new pin after you've reset it to set up a different device, and it will sync together all of those messages from this device. However, let's say the messages aren't showing up on this device. Another option you have is to hit the turn off secure storage and hit turn off. Essentially, by doing that, I can go back to my chats here and it will show all of the messages regardless of whether they're end-to-end encrypted or not. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.